Morning, guys. Got my old liquid breakfast up and going. It's good stuff. It's got 2 Wheat Bix in it. I'm eating liquid Wheat Bix. Echo! House is getting empty. Couches and yeah, all this stuff ready to go. Man, just waiting for the moving guy and we're out of here. Maybe. You never know. Because we did have those extra days now to be out of this house before we have to go in the other one. Yeah, we're not in a super rush, but big furniture has to go today. Oh, freaking story of our life. I swear. We were relying, the moving truck was through a friend of a friend. And we're solely relying on that to happen today. And just found out it's not going to, so. I'm going to the car place again to try and get a ute. And I actually have my credit card this time. So. Talk about setbacks. Lucky we did get these extra days to get out of this house, otherwise we'd be freaking living on the street at the moment, on our ass. That was a bit loud. Okay, public transport actually worked today. Bus driver was awesome. 7 minutes ahead of schedule, so I'm gonna make it and I'll be able to get the ute. Things are looking up. Small victory. Oh no, we got a manual. That crazy driving while vlogging, I don't think I can do that one today. Oh, professional. Oh, he got it. He's done. Oh, car's parked. What do we got? Oh, 27,000 Ks on this one. Got the big farmer ute. My name is Farmer Joe. Tell me what you're doing. What are you on about?
Look at my grey hair.
You know.
I'm the hottest grandma there is.
Wanker. More like it.
No.
Avon calling.
Hey, bye, Avon. Did I do bye? McDonald's.
Do you buy fillet of fish?
I buy fillet of fish, yes.
Okay.
Thank you. I'll just take a seat anyway, will I?
You just do that.
Is that your bed for today?
It looks good. Looks like a good. Like look. Looks like.
Alibaba and the 40 Ks.
Yeah. Now bring me grapes, bitch. Actually, that's not comfortable at all. That's better, hurrah. It's better, hurrah.
Macca, the food of moving.
The food of moving. Macca. So I'm sitting here just looking at stuff and catching up from yesterday in between moving and whatnot. I looked down at my desk and my little shit of a sister wrote on my desk. She tagged my desk with my own name. I don't even know how long it's been there for. Smart ass. I'm gonna punch you in the face! Ah guys, just loaded up my first load of my bedroom stuff. Probably take another 2 for me. Yeah, I'm gonna take my first stuff around the new house, so I reckon let's go. First load done. And you know what guys, it's not gonna be any different. My room here is exactly the same layout as what it is at the old house. So it's gonna be the same.
Don't! Ew!
and see ya. Stevie Wonder here.
I love you.
Where are you? What you doing? Whoa!
So mean.
Hunka chunka.
That is so friggin' mean.
Hunka chunka.
How dare you? How dare you?
Over here, bitch. Here. It's probably the last fire truck. Oh shit, that's loud today. Will be the last fire truck at the old house.
No. There'll be another one tonight. It's Sunday.
Sunday! Monster fire truck rally.
Don't, this is a really unflattering angle because it's got double chin.
More like 7 chins.
Like a big arms in the face.
So Jabba the Hutt. Birdie Jabba the solo. Sitting at the supermarket while Mum goes in and gets some dinner, and yeah, all I can smell is barbecues. Sunday Arvo barbecues. Oh, desperately want. I haven't had a barbecue. Wow, I can't even remember when was the last time I had a cookout. Oh, that'd be awesome. I want a cookout. Barbecue. I want something char grilled. As you can probably see, I'm kind of sweaty as. Freaking hot, the Savo. Oh. Californiente. Oh. Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
are you with Mom?
Huh?
Are you with Mom?
Yeah, we said we'd be back soon. Say hi to vlog.
Hi, Mom.
I was vlogging as you called. Yeah, okay, I'll tell her you're gone.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Yeah. Obviously she's going out for dinner. For bloody luck. We moved a lot. Most of my bedroom's done, most of Mum's bedroom's done. Sister's packed all of her room. We're going to move that first thing in the morning. Pull apart the TV tonight. Take my computer over tomorrow as well. Couches and fridge and washing machine tomorrow. That's pretty much it. So, yeah, going good strokes. There's a nice little update for you. Oh, you know the cold that my sister had a couple of days ago? I think she gave it to me. I've got a sore throat today. And, yeah, you watch. I'll get really sick when I go to bed tonight, and I'll wake up all tomorrow. So, how's the Desperate Measures dinner?
Huh?
Nothing. How's the dinner coming along?
Did you just say desperate measures?
Looks delicious.
You're a shithead.
Cup taste?
No.
Gotta let the chef taste as
No.
you go.
The meat's not fully cooked yet.
Okay.
Do you want to die?
No, it's alright. It was cooked to 65. I won't die. I'll just eat my hummus. Look how little it is. Single serve hummus and hot pita. Ah. Make dinner.
Tonight we're having pasta, like my mum makes. Very basic. And you'll like it and you'll eat it.
It's just recipes from the
vault.
50s when you were born. Don't at me! Oh shit, no fell over.
Nut shot for that one.
It sounds like a delicious meal, and I can't wait to put it in my gob.
You're just being mean to me.
No, I love you, Mummy.
No, you don't. I'm trying. You used to eat it when you were little. Don't eat it!
That tastes good. Actually, it does taste good.
You spin.
No, I'm not placating. Is that the word?
No, I was going to say you're playing rude.
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 Rudovsky.
Rudovsky, yes.
Rudolph Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Yep.
Rudy Huxtable.
Yes. Hey, tomorrow you've got to take down all those fairy lights.
Okay. My last night of World of Warcraft, this house goes. That's not very significant, but I just thought I'd share it. And look, Mum's pasta. Looks pretty good. Does that taste? Ah, too much. Hot. Well, that's right, could. Did I say right? Could? That's quite good. Yes, good stuff. Oh, did I call it or what, guys? I am full on sick. Stuffy nose, sore throat, and tiredness. Oh, my sister is a pain. And yet my mum got away without a single thing. I got all of it. So I hope I pass it on to mum. Alright. I'm gonna take some really good medicine and try and sleep this off. Hopefully I'm better tomorrow. This is so not what I needed right now. Okay. Oh, there it is. Alright guys. Have a good night. Morning, afternoon, evening. One of those things. Because you're all over the world. Yesterday's video. Down here. Clickety clickety. Melbourne YouTube gathering. You should check it out. There's lots of YouTubers there. Lots of Melbourne people. Yeah. Good night. I just realised that there's a big gaping hole behind me where my bed used to be. My computer is still at the old house, but the bed's at the new house. I better drive around there, hey. Can't really say goodnight if I don't have a bed to sleep in. So the next cut from this to the next, yeah. I don't even know what I'm saying, my words are mixed. The next video you'll see, I'll be at the other house, in my bed, in my new room. And then I'll say goodnight. Mum's so cool. She said, when you go over to the other house, I left a present for you on the bench. Bam! Cold and flu tablets up the wazoo. So awesome. Yeah, so I'm at the new house tonight to look after it because we've got some stuff in here now. We need somebody to be here just in case. There at the old house, that way, because we haven't puppy-proofed our backyard yet, and there's like holes and gaps in the fence, and it's small enough for them to get out, and that's not a good thing. So, yeah. Yeah, I said my room layout was going to be exactly the same. It's my light work. Oh, my room layout's going to be exactly the same. Look, bed's going there, except against the wall. Computer will be there. Clothes are exactly the same as well. I swear the room is the same size. The only difference is the windows a tiny bit wider, and that bookshelf that I have there now at the other house, it might come out like a bit further, but we'll see. And the only reason I kept the room the same way is because I only changed my room around to the current state it's in not very long ago, and I like the layout, it fits well. Smells lemony fresh in here. Mum spent like 2 hours, 3 hours cleaning this bathroom before we came here, because it was, she was a new shower curtain. Jesus, what a good lady. Look at that. Yeah, because this place was filthy. Now, how I said when the real estate couldn't give us the keys because they were still doing stuff, they forgot the whole, hey, let's clean the house for the new tenants. But yeah, Mum cleaned the shit out of it, and it is freaking sparkling. And I must say, it smells quite nice. Look at that sink. It's about the newest thing in the whole house, this sink. Everything else is dodgy and old. She even bought a new soap dispenser. Ah, this woman. What the hell is all this stuff? So that's the one thing about when we move to a new house. She always buys new things. Because all the houses are always different colours. And she just likes to be colour matching, I guess. So yeah. Smells all lemony fresh up that side of the house, and up this side of the house it's all brand new carpet, so it smells new. Mostly. Alright. Time to have some nighttime cold and flu pilly things and knock myself out. Hopefully this cold doesn't get worse overnight, and yeah. Okay. From my new bathroom, I'll say it again, have a good evening, morning, afternoon, wherever, I don't know. Good night.